guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a one brand tutorial with the brand e.l.f. I haven't used e.l.f. cosmetics in a one brand tutorial for at least a year or two. I will leave my last video that I did up in the cards and down below if anybody is interested. So yeah, without further ado, grab a snack and let's just get to it. Okay, so when I start my makeup, I always do my brows first, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liner and brow cream in the shade medium. I really hope this is a good shade because it's the only shade they had in stock that would be close. My mirror's over here, so I'm gonna probably be looking over here instead of exactly in the viewfinder just because, well. And please excuse my face, I just woke up. Alright, so it feels really nice. Actually, I'm gonna bring the mirror closer for my eyebrows just so I'm more precise. Oh, she's dark. Ooh. Doesn't look bad, but it's definitely dark. Ooh. Okay. Okay, brows. Okay, I see you over there. Okay, next up is eyes. I actually do have 3 different eyeshadow palettes, and I actually did order the new one, the $20 eyeshadow palette. I forget exactly what it's called off the top of my head. I'm having a brain fart. Again, I just woke up. I'm sorry. But these 3 palettes I do have as well. I just got them. I haven't tried them. This is the Opposites Attract palette. And the shades in here are really pretty. And I also have 2 of the bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. I heard Juicy Jazz talking about these. Listen, I follow pretty much everything she does on YouTube. Because I'm such a big fan and I love her work and everything, and we actually live in the same state. So she placed an order on e.l.f. not too long ago, and she uploaded her video before I did, obviously. But she was talking about these palettes. Now there is more than these 2, but these 2 are the only 2 that kind of like stuck out to me because I don't really wear blues and greens and stuff. However, last night, I don't know if you could tell, like my eyes are like a little bit of purple, pink, blue color. That's because I did create a look. I'll put the picture here on the screen if anyone wanted to see. Unfortunately, I did not film it. But, so I have the Bite Size Shadow in Berry Bad and Rose Water also. And to prime, I do have the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. However, it's a little thick and I don't really like it on my eyes. So I'm going to do this one. This is the Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer in Sheer. Okay, so I had to wipe that off because it looked disgusting. I'm gonna go in with the Bite Size palettes. What shade should I use first? I think I'm gonna go into the Berry Bad palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Actually, yeah, I'll put this in my crease, not the lid. This is already off to a better start. I don't know what. In with the darker shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Gotta build it slowly so you don't fuck up again. Because I'm really good at fucking up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there we go. Come through. I think I'm gonna put this shade, no, this shade right here. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, I'll do this shade right here. No, the one next to it, I'm sorry. This one. And I'll put that on my lid. Better than the other palette, I'm saying. And this one was on, these palettes are only like $2 or $3. And that one was like $14 or $15. So I'm gonna take which one is it? This one right here on the inner corner, and then this one dead center of the lid. And then like deepen up the crease a little bit more. Okay, now that my eyes are as done as they're gonna get done, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner in the shade Jet Black. And I will do this off camera. I look a little crazy, but you know what? I'm tired of having to wipe off the eyeliner and do it again. So we're gonna pretend that they are related and keep on moving. Alright, so I got these eyelashes. This is the first time I've ever tried e.l.f. lashes, but if Juicy Jazz says they're good, then obviously they are. So these are the faux mink lashes in the style Drama Queen. So yeah, I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have these lashes on, they do keep lifting right here in the inner corner. I'm not sure if I'm like not adding enough glue, but I added more glue and it did it again. So we're just gonna leave it as it is and hope they stay on for the rest of the day. So next is the face, and I'm gonna go in with this Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I've heard a lot of good things about this, but it was like, it's very sticky, but it definitely is a dupe or something like that for the Milk Hydro Drip Primer, which I have. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a pump. Let me see, I'm sorry, I got a message from my mom. Alright, so sorry about that. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Oh, here it comes. Oh. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, crap. I'm gonna put this like on the perimeter of my face, because I do have the poreless one I'm gonna use. Oh, my hands are almost like stuck together. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my poreless putty, which I've used. I actually used this yesterday, so. Well, I mean, I've used it more than once, but. Okay, oh. You see that? It's sticky. So I have the foundation. I'm not sure if this shade is gonna match. Hopefully she does, but if, oh my god, she's not gonna match. We're just gonna go with it. I'm really sorry about that, but don't worry, I will lighten it. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. sponge. Okay, it actually blends out pretty light, but it's not my shade. I can tell you that right now. I have to go to the store probably this week sometime, and I'll just get a different shade. I haven't used the e.l.f. foundation in a while, but from what I remember, the coverage was decent, you know, for the price, which it appears to be pretty good. Not complete full coverage, obviously, but it's definitely like a medium coverage. You can kind of sort of just little bit see the redness in my cheeks. That's okay. Okay, so now that the foundation is blended, I do have 4 concealers. I have 2 of the 16-hour camo concealers, and then I have 2 of the hydrating camo concealers as well. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of both of them. So I have these shades Fair Warm and Light Sand, so I'm going to use, which one of these is darker? Is it this one? Yeah. I'm going to use the shade Light Sand and the regular one. Go down, 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 down. Oh, this is light. Forgot this is a super light one. I mean, I guess it's okay a little bit because the foundation doesn't match, but I don't know why, or I know what you're thinking. Why so much? Because I want to. I'm also going to use Light Sand in the hydrating one, which is a different shade, but it's just a little bit darker. To blend that, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge, which I like. So next is powder. And I have 2 powders to try. I have the Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Light, and I also have the Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in Light Medium. So I think I'm going to use the Halo Glow under my eyes and this one on my face. I have not tried either of these products out, but if Juicy Jazz says they're good, then girl's gotta try. Oh, it's got a cool sifter. Ooh, it's got one of those sifters that turns. Look at that. Wow. My powder. Hopefully it doesn't give me a flashback. Okay, so now that my eyes are set, I can set the face. And again, I'm going to use the Sheer Tint powder in light and medium. I'm going to dip my brush in here, make sure it's covered. Set the whole face, the neck. Here, oops, I stuck something in it. I dug into it with something. My bad. Whoopsies. Okay, so next is bronzer. And I have the e.l.f., well obviously it's e.l.f. e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer in the shade Forever Sunkissed. Ooh, she's pretty though. Look at that. It's pretty. Yeah. Get that forehead, because you know that forehead needs to be a little bit smaller. Oh yeah, that is pretty. Pretty. Next I have the Primer Infused Blush, and this is in the shade Always Punchy. I'm going to use the e.l.f. small stippling brush. This is my favorite brush to apply blush. It's funny that rhymed. Favorite blush with the favorite blush. What? Favorite blush with the favorite brush. Doo, 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 doo. I promise you I ain't crazy. I'm just a little hyper. You know? Gotta be careful with blush because I'm already, like, my cheeks are pretty red usually, and I don't want it to be like emphasized, so I have to be careful with the amount of blush that I put on. Next is highlighter, and I picked up, sorry, I got powder on it. I picked up the metallic flare highlighter in the shade 24 Karat Gold. This is a really pretty color. The only highlighters I've ever tried are the baked ones, and they're pretty good. You just have to scratch off the top layer. So this is what it looks like, and that is so pretty. Like, yes. Okay, I'm gonna take my Morphe highlighting brush. Go in. I don't see it. Am I tripping right now? Let me swirl it a little bit. Okay, now I see it on the brush. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we're there. Woo, bitch. Look at you. Woo. It does emphasize my texture right here. Let me see if I can zoom in. You can see my bumps more than, you know, you normally can, but that's cool. It's fine. Okay, next to set my face, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Sorry, I have the hiccups. I do have the Hydrating Coconut Mist, but I'm gonna go in with the Dewy Setting Mist because I like to be dewy and glowy. Okay, so I do have liquid lipsticks and liquid glosses from e.l.f., but I ended up picking up some lipsticks. So I picked up the Velvet Matte lipstick in the shade Blushing Brown. And then the next one I got is the Velvet Matte Vampy Violet. It's very pretty. And then these two, I think they were free or something like that. These are the Seriously Satins, and this one is in the shade Nectar. And then this one is in the shade Cider. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with the shade Blushing Brown. This is what it looks like. I might go in with one of these, probably the lighter one, if this one's a little too dark for the look. Let me look in the mirror so I don't fuck it up. And I didn't get a lip liner. I don't even know if they have lip liners, but if they do, I didn't get one. So we have to wing it, you know. That's a pretty shade. It's a little too dark for this look, so I'm gonna put the lighter one in the center, which I believe is called Nectar. It's got a little bit of a pinky color, or orangey color, my bad, not pinky. Put it right here. Alright guys, so this is how the look turned out. I definitely like it. The lip is still a little too dark, but overall I definitely do like it. And I definitely recommend a lot of e.l.f.'s products. If you have tried any of the products that I tried today, let me know down below. And also, what's your favorite e.l.f. product? And that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And like always, I love you guys and stay safe out there.